All right, Edwin, what'd you do first? Okay, good. Hannah? Switch to what? Okay, pay attention. There are two x's. But you just make each of those x's what? A y. So I have x equals 2y plus 3 over y minus 1. I'm glad you're excited. Fabrizio, what should we do next? Do you remember one of my hints? Yes. Cross multiply. I'm going to have x times y minus 1. 1 times 2y plus 3, which is just 2y plus 3. Okay. Here, I think I'm going to distribute. So I get xy minus x equals 2y plus 3. So I just distributed. Now I'm going to get the y's together. Which way do you guys want to go? Subtract xy or subtract 2y? So we're left with negative x equals 2y plus 3 minus xy. Let's get rid of this 3 so that the y's are by themselves. How do I get rid of this 3? So I have negative x minus 3 equals 2y minus xy. What was my other clue? Partner A till partner B. If you factor this, what do you get? On the count of 3, we're going to say the greatest common factor. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Y. They both have a y in there, right? Y times something equals 2y. Y times something equals negative xy. Negative x. We're almost there. This is what math operation? So I'm going to divide both sides by 2 minus x. So now I'm left with just y on one side. I'm going to flip it. Let me talk about this one here. This one looks funny because it has 2 minus x. Normally we have x goes first, right? So if I factor out a negative 1 from both of these, negative 1 times something equals negative x. What goes there, class? X, negative 1 times something equals negative 3. Positive 3. Yes? If I factor out a negative 1 from the denominator, negative 1 times something equals 2. Negative 2. Negative 1 times something equals negative x. Positive x. Why did I do that? So it looks nice. So negative 1 divided by negative 1, those will cancel. I'm left with x plus 3 over x minus 2. And class, the last step is replace the y with a... Everyone say inverse of x. That is our lesson for today, inverse of x. So this problem, taking the inverse of a rational function, definitely had more algebraic steps than the previous problem. Cross multiply, distribute, factor, and then simplify.